Hello, today we will work on the house painting project using only HTML and CSS. This project is one of the practical labs from FreeCodeCamp. Link in the comments. We will learn how to use relative and absolute positioning to arrange the house elements like the roof, chimney, windows, and door. First, the HTML file. We created a main div with the ID house. Inside the house div, we added 5 elements. The roof for the roof, the chimney for the chimney, window 1 and window 2 for the windows, and door for the door. Each element has a clear ID, which is important because the FreeCodeCamp tests rely on these exact IDs. Next, the CSS file. We set the house div to position relative, with a width of 500 pixels and a height of 400 pixels, without any min or max values. All the child elements inside the house are positioned absolutely. The roof is placed at the top using top, 0. The chimney is at the top behind the house, using a negative z-index. The windows are positioned below the roof and higher than 1/3 of the door height. And the door is fixed at the bottom using bottom, 0. Each element also has width, height, border, and background color properties as required. And that's how we created the full house painting project, which passes all the FreeCodeCamp lab tests. You can try the project yourself and verify it in the FreeCodeCamp lab using the link provided. Thank you for watching.